Welcome to another CSONS at home. So we've gone, I don't know, I guess a bit continental with this week's menu. We've got sort of like a potatoey salad, like an olive oil salad. Some Neal's Yard goat's curd. We've got some asparagus that we've lightly blanched, and then we're going to char off in the pan. Got like a lemon and wild garlic oil and some pickled wild garlic flowers. So first thing, get the pan on quite hot. About the first thing, if you get these out a little bit early, and we'll just put them somewhere warm. We don't really want to cook them anymore, we just want to warm them up. Okay, so pan's starting to smoke. A little bit of salt, just for fun. Just get a little bit of colour on them. Feel the pan's just getting a little bit too hot. Watch out for fire. So with these potatoes, we basically boiled them whole and then peeled them and chopped them and then put them into lots of nice olive oil, wild garlic, a little bit of red wine vinegar to make sort of like a oily potato salad. Turn them off now. We're going to go on the splashy plates with this one. Then I think we better go with these guys. It says port asparagus. Now for the curd. Splodges. A little bit on there, just to finish it off. Put a little bit of salt and pepper on the curd. If you've got a lemon and a lemon zester to hand, that would also be pretty nice on there. Garlic buds of April.